Hello? Hello? Are we filling up here, guys?
Yeah, what we're doing is we're putting petrol in the tank.
Does that help?
That is, it's
Okay.
gonna make it go a lot better.
Chad, how we doing over here? We got our, oh, you got a nice setup for your phone there.
Yeah.
I love that little zip tie action. Gents, it's a beautiful thing. Tom, how you doing over here?
Feel like I'm back at the shop working, unloading bikes and loading bikes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
We're ready. I think we're ready.
Are you ready? Yes, I'm
ready.
What's up? What's up?
Talk to me.
We got zip ties. I got a full belly. And we got, what do we got, 200K to go?
No, 250.
250.
250K to go.
I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
Okay. Is everybody comfortable? Don't crash. Don't attract the attention of a statutory authority.
Don't crash.
Get up safe, okay? These guys are cool. These are sexy bikes.
They are sick.
Yeah. And the sexy homemade luggage.
All right. Getting ready to start our Chad. Ready? Instead of the dirty dozen, we are doing the half dirty dozen. There's 6 of us. We are leaving on the streets of Barcelona. Beautiful day. Sunday, it's a Mother's Day. It is fantastico. Starting to make that journey here. We got to do a little bit of highway to get to where we got to go, but we are off and running. Got Mr. Tom Luke there. Got a little Dan Croggy. Oh, there's Dan. That's Sean up there. I got the. Your bag's coming off. All right, we finally got gas and we're out of here. A little highway action heading out. Wait a minute, weren't we just here? We're going to have to stop and get gas again. Tell Chad we all need gas.
We are completely, totally, unequivocally lost.
Oh my God, it feels like we're finally getting out of the city. All right, are we anywhere near our place? We haven't even left Barcelona yet. we just circled around the. Oh, look at this shot coming out of the. I'm going to back up a little bit, get away from that truck. Oh yeah, look at that. If I didn't have that damn truck in my way. Oh yeah. Got another lovely tunnel here. Very nice. Wonder if it's like a bed and breakfast type of thing. and then we're running right along with this storm over here on the left. Dan, you okay? We got a Dan down. We got a Dan down. You all right?
For the crowd, didn't you?
What?
We did that for the crowd, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just to give everybody a chance.
You see this happening in my bag?
Our rain gear on. We are good to go.
If one has rain gear.
Oh, you don't have. Oh, you don't have
In the
yours.
van. Well, it's going to be a beautiful day, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful day. I had that conversation with somebody.
Perfect for riding.
They're like, yeah, you don't need it. Is that you?
Perfect for riding.
He actually said it, right? If you don't bring it, you're going to end up needing it.
Yeah, yeah. If I bring it or don't bring it, it will rain.
Dan, are you okay? It's a good thing I'm recording this.
Yeah. Was it you that said this is going to be a shit show?
What's that?
Was it you that said this is going to be a shit show today?
Yep.
You called it, buddy. You called it.
You got it started. Yes. I called it from the get-go. Greg, what did I say from the get-go? This was going to be a shit show. This is what they call an adventure. What did Austin say? It's going to be beautiful all the way there.
I got it. Stop. We're going to the bathroom.
Guess we were just enjoying the scenery.
Attention! Attention!
Holy shit, boy. Welcome to Spain.
Where are we going? And 3 guys where? And where else? We got our 3 other guys here. So Tom, where's Tom?
Here.
Tom right here.
Right here?
Tom, Chad, and you.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and then us 3. Where do you want us 3?
Where that bike is.
Where the bike is?
And also, the other thing that's, I think I alluded to this on our briefing, the other thing is the days are of very different lengths. So, Wednesday is 160 miles. Yeah. Oh, it's a massive day. And I don't think I've ever done that day without having to cut some of the trail.
But you've never done it with Americans.
No, exactly.
Big man, that's it.
It's all right, I got you.